वोकैबुलरी को याद करने का तरीका ये है कि उसे रूट वर्ड के साथ लिंक किया जाए। हमारा आज का रूट वर्ड है ex और ec, which means to remove something or to take something outside. Our first word is expunge. Expunge means to remove completely, obliterate or wipe out something. Our second word is excoriate. It is on a very surface level, to scratch something or to scrape off something off a surface. Our third word is excogitate. Excogitate is from thinking so much and then coming out to form a plan. Our next word is eccentric. Eccentric means something which is out of the center, which is abnormal, which is out of the box or odd. Our final word is eject, which means to expel something or throw out something. Hope you have learned something new today. We'll see you in another video.